Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon.
Today's practical session will involve using some built-in functions that are in Excel. We will see some of them. Some of the built-in functions include sum, average, and whenever you use them, it does not matter whether you put them in capital letters or small letters. We have max, stands for maximum, min, stands for minimum. We have the if function. We have the count. Count A, count B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, as well as and others which we will discuss in the later sessions. But for today's practical, let's discuss the first four to start with. With sum, what it does, it returns the sum of the argument given. Remember that we have said in the last sessions that whenever you are dealing with Excel functions, you have to start with the equal sign. That's how it is recognized as a function. So for example, if you have name of students here, A, B, C, D, the list might go on. And then their sex, these are raw data, female, whatever. And then their test results maybe was 80, 81, whatever, 70, 30, maybe test 2, this particular student got those marks. This is just for demonstration purpose, but under normal circumstances, you would have hundreds of students involved. And here you want maybe to put the total. These are the column headers which go beyond that, and these are the row headers which go beyond 1 million and something. Now, for the sum, if you want the total sum of all these students, you don't have to take a calculator and calculate manually. Instead, you would just put the equal sign to indicate that what is to be inserted there is a function. Put the sum, and then insert the range of values which you want to sum. For example, this student wants the sum to be this plus this. This one is address C2, and this one is address D2. So you put C2, the range starts from C2 up to D2. Remember in the last sessions, we noted that if you want to put a range of cells which are contiguous, which follow each other, you just put this sign. Although you can put this sign also, but in Windows it will convert itself to be this one, but in Linux it will give you an error. It won't respond. So even if you had test 3, you would have put C2 colon E3 if there were 3 tests. And then once you press enter, the sum will be displayed this one. And then from there on the right margin where there's a space, you put your cursor over there and drag that cursor up to the last student. Once you drag it and release the mouse, all these sums will be displayed automatically. That is how you deal with sum. Now for average, it is the same. You do the same issue, but you change, instead of the word sum, you put average and then the required range. Once you are done, you drag as normal. So if E2 was the total marks and then you want this cell to contain average, you would do the same. Put equal sign, put the average function, and then for our case would be C2 dot dot D2, and then drag down. The average of other students will be displayed automatically. So after this introduction, let's see in the real life how will this behave. I will open an Excel.